안녕하세요, 민입니다. Hi guys, it's Min, and welcome back to the Korean class. 안녕. Hi guys, 안녕하세요, and welcome back, and welcome to 2023 as well, because I think it will be the first video I'll be posting this year. So I wish you all Happy New Year. What we're going to talk about today is the numbers, especially how to count big numbers in Korean. And I'll also give some tips and tricks at the end of this video for this complex matter. So I guess you guys already know that there are two systems to count in Korean. One is what I call ordinal system or Chinese system, and the other one is cardinal or native Korean system. And cardinal system, the Korean system, only exists up to 99. So when it comes to the big numbers, we're talking about the Chinese or ordinal system. So in order to learn how to read numbers in Korean, you gotta know the names of the first 10 numbers, so 1 to 10. So I guess you already all know, but let's just revise. 1 was 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, and 10, 10. And if you notice, you can easily count up to 99 by just putting them together, just like what we do in English, read the 10th first and the unit. So for example, if you have 37, 30 was 3 times 10, so 30, and you add 7, 7. And it's pretty much the same for the hundreds, so we use 100 for 100, and you can multiply them to make 200, 200, 300, 300, 400, 400, etc. And the same for the thousands, so use 1000 for 1000 and multiply 2000, 2000, 3000, 3000, 4000, 4000 until 9000, 9000. But now it gets harder here to make it 10,000. In English, it's just 10 times thousands, but we can't really do that. We can't really make 10,000, it doesn't exist, because we do have a new unit for 10,000, which is 만. And you can keep going up there until 90,000, which is 9 times 10,000, so that makes 9만, right? And how about 100,000? So it's 10 times 10,000, so 10만. 10만, it's nevertheless, it sounds like 10만. Now that you have a basic idea of how it works, let us talk a little bit further on how to make it easier to count as a non-native speaker. So as we've seen, the most important thing to do here is to memorize by heart the names of each unit. So here's the short list. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 만, 10만, 100만, 1000만, 억, 10억, 100억, 1000억, 조, 10조, 100조, 1000조, etc. And what you can see from here is the first four, 1, 10, 100, 1000, are keeping repeated, even though 1 is not pronounced sometimes. And here's the point where you can find the difference between English and Korean. So when you count in English, we repeat 3 units, 1, 10, 100. And that is why we put this comma to indicate the groups of 3 zeros, right? However, as I just said, Korean numbers are repeated every 4 digits, and that is why it's confusing and hard to convert English to Korean. So what we can do here is to move this comma 1 unit forward and separate the numbers by 4. So it makes groups of 4 zeros. And you can name each group as 만, 억, 조. So 만 for 4 zeros, 억 for 8 zeros, 조 for 12 zeros. For example, this one, 10 times 1,000. But you can also write it like this. And it's 1만, so 1만. Or simply you can just call it 만. Then how about this one? It's 300,000. But if you move the comma, it looks like this. So it's 30 times of 만, 10,000 we just saw. So you call it 30만. Same for this one, which is 5 times million, 5 million in English. But if you move the comma, it looks like this. So we have 500 times 만. That makes 500만. 500만. Let's go a little bit further. How about this number here? So it's 3 billions in English, but again, move the commas, and it'd be like this. So now you can see that it's 30 times of 8 zeros, which was 억. So this number gonna be 30억. 30억. So you see, you don't really have to read the numbers in English first and translate it to Korean. You just have to work twice if you do so. But it's much easier to just read the numbers directly in Korean. So write the numbers down and read it. And one little thing before you go, when you only have this idea of numbers, or the name of number in English in your mind without having it written down, or if you don't have paper and pen, you kind of have to think twice. In this case, it's almost inevitable. But my tip here is you just memorize that 1 million is 100만 and 1 billion is 10억. So just memorize them like new vocabulary. So it's really much faster to just go back and forth 1 or 2 units from 100만 and 10억 than start counting from scratch. So it's just a random thing that I used to do when I was learning English, and it kind of helped me a lot. So I guess it would work for you guys as well. So I really hope this video was helpful for you guys. It was one of the most frequently asked questions, and I know that's confusing thing, the most confusing thing in the world, but also it's what we use on a daily basis. You're gonna see it a lot, so hang in there, don't give up, and practice a lot. So I'm also gonna post a handout with number exercises, so I leave the link down below to the website where you can download the handout for free. So have fun, and I'll see you guys next time. 수고하셨습니다. 다음 영상에서 만나요. 안녕히 가세요. 안녕.